Taylor with Waveband Communications, and today we'll be covering our troubleshooting steps helping you get back to hearing out of your earpiece. This is a common problem we see with earpieces and surveillance kits, and it's usually as simple as cleaning your acoustic tube. Why you're not able to hear out of your acoustic tube earpiece can be for several reasons. The first and most common reason is your acoustic tube is being blocked with moisture or earwax. We'll be talking about how to clean this in just a few. Second reason could be your cable became partially unplugged from the transducer to the adapter. In order to fix this, ensure that the acoustic tube is placed tightly into the transducer, like this. Third, you may be experiencing earpiece cable failure or transducer failure. I suggest trying our cleaning tips before declaring this your issue. If you're not able to hear out of your acoustic tube earpiece, volume in your earpiece is much lower than at first, or if your acoustic tube has air bubbles or the tube looks distorted, luckily your earpiece isn't broken and can be fixed by cleaning out your acoustic tube. To start cleaning your earpiece, remove the acoustic tube from the clothing clip by rotating the twist connector. Now, you're going to want to remove the earbud. You'll now be able to see if there's any buildup or moisture now in your acoustic tube and your earbuds. Grab a cup of warm water and place both the acoustic tube and earbud in. And let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I wouldn't use any soap, detergent, or cleanser or any other cleaning chemicals during this process. Now that we've waited about 10 minutes, you can remove all the pieces from the water. Let these pieces dry before reassembling to your earpiece. You can pat the outside with a clean towel. You can also use a compressed air can found at Walmart or your local hardware store. You can insert the straw from the can into the hole at the end of your acoustic tube, like so, and blow out any leftover debris or excess water. Now that all the pieces are dry, you can reassemble your earpiece. You should now be able to hear out of your acoustic tube and earpiece like new. You can repeat this process above every couple of weeks or in the future to keep it clean. If the above steps do not work for you, it may be time to replace the acoustic tubes and earbuds. These can all be found at Waveband Communications. We offer clear acoustic tubes, our popular Comply foam ear tips, ear inserts, and our traditional clear earbuds. I hope this helped you get back to hearing out of your earpiece. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more how-tos and accessory videos in the future. Thanks for watching.